Hi everyone, I'm Ray and welcome to my kitchen. So I just got home, I've been out all day and I'm starving. So I'm doing kind of a cheating recipe in that I am using a pre-made lentil. So we'll talk about that in a minute, but you know what? Let's fire this up. So we're gonna start on a high heat and I'm going to add about a half a cup of my favorite bona fide vegetable broth, and we're going to saute this onion. And I apologize about the camera angle. I know you probably can't see me. I don't really care so much about that. It's more important that you see what's happening on the stove. So we're going to saute this onion for just about 5 minutes. And then we're just going to add the lentils. So while we are waiting for the onions, let me grab the lentils so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is a brand called Fillo's, I'm not sure. It is a non-GMO product and it is something that I buy at Sprouts. And these are Peruvian style lentils. They're really good. So they do have a hint of olive oil. So if you're trying to stay away from all oils, this does contain some oil, but it's also got cumin and it's got a tomato puree and it's got some onion and some garlic, and it's actually very tasty. Now I do like to spruce it up a little bit, which is why I'm adding some more onion, and I'm also going to add some tomato, and then we're going to top it off with some fresh cilantro. So, but yeah, this is the brand. Fillos, Fillo's, Peruvian lentils, really good. So these are now getting hot. So I'm just going to cook them until they're translucent. Okay, these are looking really good. So we are going to now add the lentils. And because that onion was pretty good size and I actually want to have some for meal prep, so I can eat it for lunch during the week, I'm going to add 2 packages of the lentils. That's 1. And here's 2. Oh yeah, that's going to make a lot. Nice. And then I'm going to turn down the heat a little bit, and we're just going to get everything combined with those onions. And then we're going to add some tomatoes. And the tomatoes that I have are just tomatoes that I had in my garden. So really all we have to do is heat this because it's basically already cooked. And when I come home starving like this, it's nice to have, if I didn't have anything meal prepped, which I have things in the freezer, but I thought, well, I'm kind of craving this and I want to show it to you. So I think we're looking good there. Let me get the tomatoes. So this is 3 tomatoes from my garden and the juice. And we'll just stir those in, and then they're done. I'm going to just put the lid on this for a few minutes, maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. I've got it on about a medium heat, and we're just going to let it get hot. Okay, so this has been going for about 5 minutes is all, and it is ready. I'm going to add some lime. So that's the juice of 1 lime. And we'll just stir it in. And then I'm going to put some in a bowl and we'll top it with some cilantro and we'll have a taste. All right, we've got our Peruvian lentils with a yellow onion and a couple of homegrown tomatoes and some fresh cilantro. Now the beauty of this is we're getting some beautiful protein because of the lentils. We're getting a little bit of garlic, which is so great for your body. We're getting some prebiotics with the onions, And we're going to be full, actually. So I've made a bunch here, so I'm going to have plenty for meal prep during the week. And I actually, when I eat this at lunchtime, I'll usually eat it with some almond flour crackers or some organic tortilla chips, kind of more like a dip. But right now, this sounds really good just like this. So bon appetit. It's delicious. So easy. Literally, it came together in probably 7 minutes total. I hope you'll try it.